Welcome to our guide on how to hide personalized ads on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by navigating to your Twitter profile page on your PC. In the sidebar, locate and click on the More option to access additional settings. Next, click on Settings and Privacy to proceed to the Settings section. Within the Settings menu, select Privacy and Safety, and scroll down until you find the Personalization and Data option. Under Personalization and Data, you will see the toggle for Personalize Ads. Simply turn off this toggle to prevent Twitter from using your data to display personalized ads to you. By following these steps, you can easily hide personalized ads on X, Twitter, on your PC, allowing you to control the ads you see on the platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in illustrating how to manage personalized ads on X, Twitter on your PC. Take control of your ad preferences to customize your Twitter experience and enhance your privacy on the platform.